I chose photography as kind of a practice, and it allows me to have an internal dialogue, and it allows me to understand the way I think about things and the way I think about the world around me. And for me, the idea of creating imagery that's motivated solely by the desire to make images and not an external commission or assignment, I think is incredibly important. There was a great quote by the photographer Robert Frank, and he likened shooting every day to a boxer preparing for a fight. So the idea that you were nimble and that you were seeing precisely and concisely, and you understood your voice. And I think that's a big piece.